So I got cut off in the previous video, but I was saying that you will obviously not have enough time in the setup of a test where you've been presented with this article and you must now read and answer some questions related to it. So you won't have time to make notes like this. But the point is that you should be able to read the information presented here and get and understand this information. So if you are just reading the full text, but you are not able to get the key information out of what you are reading, then you are not going to be able to answer the questions that are going to come to be presented to you related to what you have read, because you will not have been able to take out the information for yourself from what you are reading. So when you are reading for comprehension, you are not only just reading to be able to get to the bottom of the page, but you are making sure that your mind is able to sift what is the key information from the article or from the text that you are reading. You are able to sift the key information so that you can present that information back to someone else, or you can answer questions related to what you have read. So far, what the key information out of the first three paragraphs is that we are talking about Albert Einstein. We've been told he's a great mind and a brilliant physicist. He was a great contributor to science and a thought leader in the concepts of relativity, space-time, energy, and gravity. He was ahead of his time in terms of his thinking. He's not the type of person that would fit in. He actually stood out like a sore thumb in a crowd. He was introverted and preferred to work on his own, but he was outspoken in terms of the issues that he believed strongly about. He cared for people, but he also he also influenced the creation of the atomic bomb. He was born on 14 March in 1879. He was born in Germany. His parents were Pauline and Hermann Einstein. In his childhood, he was shy and he was curious at the same time. In primary school, he was an extreme underachiever to the extent that his parents thought that he was mentally disabled. But in maths and science, he actually did very well. One of his teachers told him that he would never amount to anything, but it actually turned out that he was a type of person who preferred to self-study, and by the time he was a teenager, he taught himself